has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 222, effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Noble, and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall,
Weather
Ohio,
message.
Pleasant, and Westville, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
In the following
and listen
counties
for later
in
statements
Pennsylvania,
and possible
Greene and
warnings.
Washington.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Mainly clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts